In this video we're focusing on how to wash Squishmallows, those super soft and cuddly plush toys that everyone loves. Proper cleaning is essential to maintain their plush texture and keep them looking fresh. Let's walk through the best methods to clean your Squishmallows safely and effectively. Squishmallows are made from soft spandex polyester stuffing with an outer polyester fabric, which can collect dirt and allergens. Keeping them clean not only extends their life but also ensures they remain hygienic, especially important for those who suffer from allergies. Always start by checking the care label found on your Squishmallow. Most Squishmallows are machine washable, but it's crucial to follow any specific instructions provided by the manufacturer to avoid damaging the plush toy. Before washing, remove any excess dirt or debris. Use a soft brush or a clean toothbrush to gently brush away any visible dirt. This helps prevent any dirt from being worked deeper into the fabric during the wash cycle. If your Squishmallow only has a small stain, spot cleaning can be an effective approach. Use a mild detergent mixed with water and apply it to the stained area with a soft cloth. Gently dab the stain rather than rubbing to avoid damaging the fabric. Allow the area to air dry completely. If your Squishmallow is heavily soiled or fully machine washable, place it in a pillowcase or a laundry bag to protect its fabric during the wash cycle. Set your washing machine to a gentle cycle with cold water, using a mild detergent. Hot water can damage the fibers and affect the plush toy's softness. After washing, press out any excess water with a clean towel. Do not wring out your Squishmallow, as this can deform the stuffing. Air drying is the safest method. Lay the Squishmallow flat in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight, which can fade the colors. If you must use a dryer, select a no heat or air-only cycle and ensure the plush is in a pillowcase or laundry bag. Once your Squishmallow is dry, it may need some fluffing. Gently shake it and manipulate the stuffing back into place if it has shifted. This helps restore its original shape and softness. Keep your Squishmallows looking and feeling their best with regular maintenance. Lightly vacuuming them with an upholstery attachment can help remove dust and prevent buildup. Store them in a clean, dry place to avoid dust accumulation and direct sunlight. With these simple steps, you can keep your Squishmallows clean, soft, and sanitary. Proper care ensures that these beloved plush toys can provide comfort and joy for years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on toy maintenance and care. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.